Luna is having the most wonderful time playing with the prettiest snowflakes she's ever seen. But wait, the wind is getting stronger, much stronger. Oh no, Luna can barely see through the swirling snow. Where is she? Look! Luna spots something glowing through the storm. An ice cave, and it's glowing with the most beautiful blue light. Gentle spirits made of starlight welcome Luna inside their magical home. The kind spirits show Luna a secret pathway that leads back to safety. Following their glowing trail, Luna finds her way through the storm. She's back home now, under her favorite moon. Luna will never forget her new magical friends.